Don't hit those oceanside curbs. Those will wreck your day, buddy. That's Nathan. I'll introduce you to him in a minute. But today we're gonna make a banger. Today we're putting the old exhaust pipe on, the old diesel tipper. It's gonna sound like shit, I already know. But for content purposes, I wanna see what it sounds like with the new build, with the new setup. So that's what's gonna happen today. Is this it? Yeah, that's it. Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's not good. You wanna say hi? You know I film, right? Oh shit, they can't even see me. Bam!
How's it going, bud?
What's up? What's up? You guys heard his car when he was pulling up. I was screaming, did you hear me?
Yeah.
I was like, watch out for those oceanside curves, dude. Those things are nasty. Anywho, this is it.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
And then you drove a diesel?
Yeah. Old school. The old school tip. Oh, you got a turbo timer?
Yeah.
Aren't you fancy? This was the old one from the N1. I cut that off and just used that back end, yeah.
Would you just go to like a Riley's and get a tip from there and weld her on?
No, that was Richard Performance Muffler.
Oh.
Yeah. So if you guys want your tips put on real quick, Richard Performance Muffler in Oceanside. Yeah.
Just the tip.
That's still just the tip, man. You guys already know the drill though. On the way to Kevin's house. Kevin's got the garage until I get a house. So Kevin, my boy, here we come. Nathan's coming too. He's gonna help. I'm gonna make him cameraman or something. You know what I'm saying? I need a
17s.
15.
The big sizes.
Thanks to shit. No, I'm good, bro. Shit.
I'm down his arm right now.
This happens when you don't choose to do the WD right away.
Yeah.
Alright, it's off.
What?
Yeah, your gasket.
How are your ears, dude? Alright, we got the Q300 off. Where'd the diesel tip go? Oh, it's in the trunk. Yeah, that's off. We're gonna throw the other exhaust tip on there right now. Kevin had the great idea to start it up without the Q300 on there. Sound like total shit, but he wanted to hear it, so you know he's hosting, so you gotta make him happy. Come here, Tippy. Nvidia / Dieseler.
Whatever, Kevin. Thanks for the help, buddy. Do this by myself.
Fuck it. It's not church. Shut up. Shut up. Oh man. Get out of my way, WD. Oh yeah. Sick. Fuck yeah. The hangers are on the other one. That's great. Alright, we got the diesel tip on. I haven't started it yet. Kevin will be able. He's drinking beer. He doesn't know he's drinking. You know you have to drive, right? I'm gonna start it. You can film it.
Whose dog is that?
Looks like a wolf.
Yeah, his coat is way clearer than mine.
Is it?
Yeah, just like his. But it has a weird mid pipe.
Oh boy.
For the content, you can hear it rumbling. It straight up sounds like an exhaust leak though.
Yeah, that's pretty loud, bud.
Oh man, I want that would have been a flame at night. That's for sure.
He was shooting flames on the way over to your house, pretty big.
Oh really?
Yeah. You should get up next to him. There you go.
That was just stupid loud. It sounded like an airplane on the highway. That was ridiculous. But I'm taking it off right now. Just wanted to get some quick content. There's no way I'm driving that thing around town. It's like 3 times louder than it was with the other setup. So that's just ridiculous. Here you go, Kevin.
I know, but you're not going to be able to get the... I mean, maybe, but...
You don't want to tell me to back up.
No, go at an angle. Let me do it. Oh my god.
You're not going to be able to use all fucking wall.
See the turbo spilling still.
Alright, we're all set for the Q300 to go back on. I just wanted to hear what it sounded like with the new setup. Like I said, it was pretty ridiculous and over the top. Kevin disappeared again, talking about detailing like he always does. But where did that? There it is. It's pretty ridiculous of a setup. I don't recommend it unless you're a youngin, like 16, getting into the car scene and going to your events and shit, your little car meets. But other than that, fuck that. Alrighty, the car is all set and done. I think the next thing we're gonna do is paint the wheels white. I want to test it and see what it looks like.
And she needs a detail.
And it needs a detail. Kevin might help out doing just a minor quickie. That didn't sound right. Minor detail, just a little light one, get some of the swirls out and just clean it up a little bit. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, this isn't like my ideal wheel setup. On my purple car, the one you guys remember, it was pretty gnarly. It sat flush and it filled in a little bit of that gap, but this thing you can rail on corners, you don't worry about shit. But I wanted to try and test some white with the plasti dip, of course. It's pretty ghetto, but it's an easy way to test the colors without fucking going crazy and fucking these up and painting it and all that powder coating. But yeah, so just did a quick video. It sounded pretty gnarly. It was way too much for me. I'm not ever gonna leave it like that again. It sounds good the way it is, but Kevin's freaking out. He's trying to leave. But yeah, that was it. Thanks, Kevin. And we're gonna make the video. You're gonna be the star of the day.
I didn't do anything.
Alright, I'm out.
Alright, dude. Peace out.
Later.